Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to increase font size on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to increase the font size on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and on the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will be here, and you can see the chat settings available for us just above the privacy and security. Now in order to increase your font size on Telegram, first tap on the chat settings on this interface and you will land on this interface of the Telegram, where at the top of the screen you can see there's a slider available for us. Now in order to increase your font size on Telegram, you can just simply slide the slider to the right, and you can see on the demo picture below the font size is increasing on enlarging, and enlarge or increase your font size upon depending upon your preference. And after doing that, you won't need to save it. The font size on Telegram will be changed depending upon the slider. And with that being said guys, this is how to increase the font size on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.